You know what happened to me in the Port Townsend courts? Well, I took in all these documents and I proved, like without a doubt and pretty easy, that these documents for this boat sale was forged. I don't know who forged them. I don't know what happened. I don't know who did it. I showed the judge, right? Because you'd think they'd have some sort of super sleuth who could like look at stuff. But no, because Judge Remsen, she's not really, she's not too bright. And I mean that with all due no respect at all. Like none. She hurts people and does not obey the law, so she don't get no respect from me. I'm sure it won't bother her at all. But anyway, did you just digress? I just digressed. So you know what happened? Well, I took the proof that somebody had forged a boat sale. So I've seen it, back in the day, some people would go to the notary and you get the notary to sign it. Maybe one party signs and then the other don't. They're like, oh, wink, wink, I'll get him to sign it later. So that's what happened. And then one of the parties made up this elaborate story that I had used an eraser tool and I had done this to the documents and that to the documents. And I was stunned. I was stunned when the fucking Jefferson County deputy detectives drugged me in for questioning because I had forged documents for some shithole boat. That what the hell am I going to do with a giant boat that's, oh my God, disgusting and has been demonized by demons and cost a fortune to fix and a fortune to be in the boatyard and I don't want nothing to do with. And I'm just showing the court documents and then all of a sudden, in their, let's get the messenger style of the Port Townsend judicial system. Oh, did I tell you guys that Jefferson County courts are rotten to the core? Well, anywho. So I get drugged into the police station for questioning because I forged some documents because I wanted to steal this boat. It's the Dumb and Dumber. They should just name this county Dumb and Dumber. The Port Townsend courts, the Port Townsend police, the detectives, the deputies, they're all really, really dumb. I mean, the crimes, I've seen high financial crimes. They're like, I don't know, I can't find the person. Like, I can't find the person to question. They did now what? Oh, they rented out a house that wasn't theirs and got like $50,000 and stole it and they did this and they did. Oh, yeah, well, I don't know. I don't even know where they are. I don't even know what I'd do. But somebody goes in and says, Crystal Cox said wooden boat. And then she said Sillish Rescue. Oh, my God, criminal charges. It goes right to the prosecutor. This is how fucking insane these people are. Okay, so anyway, I forged a bunch of documents for a boat so that I could have the boat. So that one of the parties could have the boat. Like, I'm really confused, right? So the detective's like, well, someone could say that I forged the documents? Well, someone could say that. But if anyone had a brain and they could see the chain of custody, like if any cops in this whole county could actually do any investigations or look at any sort of public records or documents or proof of anything at all, you can see that I'm not the one who forged documents. What the fuck do I want with that boat? But anywho, hundreds of pages of documents of corruption and bad things and bad deeds and threats and leaving people for dead and suicide and all kinds of things. And they pull out whatever they can charge me with. The messenger. These guys are sick fucks. I'll tell you what. Port Townsend courts, corrupt to the core. And the police, they're just dimwits. Dangerous dimwits, but dimwits nonetheless.